How to lose weight with tuna in 3 days. Your 3-day tuna diet is one of the most popular and most effective quick weight loss plans available. But is tuna good for losing weight and it right for you? Well, first of all, you need to be able to stand the taste and smell of tuna. Otherwise, it may well end up being the 3 days no food diet instead of the 3-day tuna diet. Today we will be talking about, can tuna make you lose weight? And how to prepare tuna for weight loss. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on notifications, so you won't miss a thing. Tuna has long been a staple of many diets, and with good reason. Tuna is inexpensive, it's easy to carry with you and eat, it's good for you, and eating a lot of it will make you popular with cats. The last part may not be strictly necessary for weight loss. Because of this, it's no surprise that people like the 3-day tuna diet. Although there are many good reasons to make tuna a regular part of your health and fitness regime, the 3-day tuna diet is a little different. The point of this diet is to lose weight as quickly as possible for 3 days, and because of this, it's usually most useful for people who want to lose a couple of pounds before a big event or to get bikini ready for the beach. If you follow the 3-day tuna diet as described, you'll probably lose around 6 pounds and notice your midsection becoming notably tighter. This is because the diet helps you lose water weight, fat weight and cleans your intestines, which means it's perfect for looking good. That said, the 3-day tuna diet is not for everyone. If you are significantly overweight, the diet will still help you get a jump start on weight loss, but it is not intended to be any kind of long-term weight loss program. You will need to find something that works for the longer term. There are 2 basic versions of the 3-day tuna diet, the strict version, and the super strict version. The super strict version is as Spartan as it sounds and must not, under any circumstances, be continued for more than 3 straight days. On the super strict version, you eat only water-packed tuna and drink only water. This is very difficult to do, even for 3 days, but it will absolutely maximize weight loss. You may drink as much water as you like, and more is better, and you can eat as much tuna as you like, but you may have nothing else. Your less strict version of the 3-day tuna diet is much easier and ultimately much healthier. For breakfast, you have half a cup of tuna and half a large grapefruit. For lunch, you have another half cup of tuna and a medium salad, greens, and veggies only, with virgin olive oil as your dressing. For dinner, you have a whole cup of tuna, and 1 cup each of 2 different kinds of vegetables, steamed and garnished with real butter. It's important to make sure you're getting the right kinds of fats. That's the basics of the 3-day tuna diet, and if you're going to try and use it long term, make sure you try and follow a 3 on, 4 off method so you don't experience any metabolic slowdown, and never do the super strict version more than once a month. If you liked this video, share the love and give it a thumb. And if you are seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, click the link in the description.